5 foods that have almost zero calories. Eating healthy doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg. You can actually nourish your body without breaking the bank. These 5 foods all have almost no calories, making them a great choice for anyone looking to eat healthy on a budget. Not only are these foods low-calorie, they are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Find out the top 5 foods that have almost zero calories. 1. Water. It may seem obvious, but water is essential to our body and has no calories. Not only does it keep us hydrated, but it can also help with weight loss and digestion. Many times, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, causing us to eat more than we need to. By drinking enough water throughout the day, we can avoid unnecessary snacking and overeating. Plus, adding a slice of lemon or lime can give it some extra flavor without adding any calories. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your body running smoothly. 2. Celery. Celery is one of the most popular low-calorie foods out there. Not only is it extremely low in calories, but it is also a great source of fiber and nutrients like vitamin K and folate. Eating celery regularly can help you feel full for longer, making it a great addition to your weight loss journey. One stalk of celery only contains around 6 calories, which is why it is often used as a crunchy snack in between meals. You can also add it to your salads or stir-fries for some extra texture and nutrition without adding too many calories. One thing to keep in mind is that celery does contain a small amount of sodium, which may be a concern for some people with high blood pressure. However, eating celery in moderation is unlikely to cause any problems for most people. Overall, celery is a great choice if you are looking for a low-calorie food that will help you stay full and nourish your body at the same time. 3. Cucumber. Cucumber is one of the best low-calorie foods out there. It's refreshing, crunchy, and has almost no calories. A medium-sized cucumber has only 16 calories. Apart from being a low-calorie snack, cucumbers are also packed with nutrients that are essential for a healthy body. Cucumbers are high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting, and they are also a good source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Cucumbers are also a good source of fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy and promotes regular bowel movements. Additionally, they contain antioxidants that fight against harmful free radicals and protect the body from damage. The best thing about cucumbers is that they are incredibly versatile. You can add them to your salads, sandwiches, and wraps. You can also use them to make refreshing drinks, like cucumber water or cucumber lemonade. So next time you're looking for a low-calorie snack, reach for a cucumber. 4. Lettuce. Lettuce is a classic staple in many salads and wraps and is also an excellent food with virtually no calories. It's packed with vitamins A and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber, making it an excellent choice for maintaining healthy digestion and improving overall health. When it comes to calories, a cup of chopped lettuce has just 5 calories. This makes it the perfect base for a low-calorie salad, which you can then add other nutritious toppings to such as lean protein, healthy fats and other veggies. There are many different types of lettuce, including romaine, iceberg, arugula and spinach. Each of these has its own unique nutritional profile, but they all share the benefit of being incredibly low in calories. You can use lettuce as a base for salads, or even as a wrap for other ingredients for a lower carb and lower calorie alternative to bread. When purchasing lettuce, opt for fresh and crisp greens that are free from any brown spots or blemishes. And always wash your lettuce thoroughly before eating, as it can harbor bacteria and other pathogens that could be harmful. Incorporating lettuce into your diet is an excellent way to nourish your body for almost no calories, so try adding it to your meals in creative and delicious ways. 5. Tomato. Tomatoes are a tasty and healthy addition to any diet. These vibrant red fruits are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. What's more, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a lower risk of cancer and heart disease. The best part about tomatoes? They are almost calorie-free. A medium-sized tomato contains only about 22 calories, making them a perfect snack for weight loss. They are also very versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups to pasta sauces. If you're looking for a simple and healthy snack, try slicing up a tomato and drizzling it with a bit of balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Or, chop up a few tomatoes and add them to a vegetable soup or stew for a burst of flavor and nutrition. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, tomatoes are a tasty and nutritious addition to any diet.